2022, battery storage retrofits represented 23% of all new storage installations. Battery retrofits are one of the most common sources of return revenue for solar installers. Data from Franklin Watt Hour suggests that 66% of their surveyed consumers would invest in energy storage if they were to qualify for federal incentives. Hence, we know that as of 2024, there are about 4.2 million homes with solar in the US, and the battery attachment rate currently sits at 25%. That means that 3 million homes don't currently have batteries, and 2 million of those would be interested in adding them. The point is, energy and battery storage retrofits are the future of the industry. And it is with this knowledge that Solar Insure is proud to introduce our new game-changing addition to the energy retrofit market, SI-30 battery. SI-30 battery is a unique warranty designed specifically for retrofit and standalone energy storage installations. So homeowners who are looking to add energy resiliency to their home or add battery storage to their existing solar project can now get unmatched 30-year long-term protection. Solar providers who are offering SI-30 battery get to re-engage their previous customer base, open up new sources of revenue with new customers, and offer a solution that meets the rising demand of energy resiliency among a growing homeowner base. SI-30 battery includes 30 years of coverage for parts and labor costs with the system. Also includes one battery replacement after the manufacturer warranty period ends once the capacity drops below 50%. So when that degradation hits, a brand new battery can be installed with a brand new warranty that continues that long-term coverage. The warranty is also assigned to the address, so it can be seamlessly transferred between homeowners if people move. Our warranty has absolutely no hidden costs. So there's no fees, no deductibles, no subscription costs. It is completely fee-free. We also do include manufacturer default protection. So if something were to happen to the solar equipment manufacturer, we are covered by an A+ rated best insurance carrier. This coverage from SI-30 battery also includes coverage for integrated battery and inverter systems like Tesla Powerwall 3s and other items that are coming up and dominating the battery market. Homeowners receiving SI-30 battery as part of their energy storage retrofit can double or even triple the manufacturer warranty and fill in the gaps that are left by those manufacturer warranties. With labor cost coverage, homeowners know that their energy storage project is not going to cause a headache and surprise maintenance costs down the line because qualified claims are paid for. Thanks to the battery replacement, the battery that's covered by SI-30 battery provides more than 40% more energy value to a home over its lifetime compared to a battery that doesn't have protection from SI-30 battery. SI-30 battery offers unmatched value for customers and can help solar installers increase their close rates. But aside from that, it also solves a few key issues that are facing solar providers today. Namely, it helps them re-engage their customer base. They can make use of an already loyal base and offer a valuable upgrade. Helps them differentiate themselves from the competition and address rising concerns over energy resiliency among homeowners. It also helps them overcome challenges on monetizing energy storage demand, especially over TPO providers, and most importantly, it helps providers close value-based sales instead of just price-based sales. Adapting to a shifting market can be challenging, but Solar Insure is here to help. SI-30 battery gives Solar Insure certified providers the opportunity to provide decades worth of value to their energy storage customers. You can learn more about SI-30 battery at its webpage that I'll link in the description below, and you can learn more about becoming a Solar Insure certified provider at the link in the description and the video that I'll link here. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe and check out other videos about helping you grow your solar business.